Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Komodo Cruising. I'm Junior. Here's Komodo. I finally got these in the mail. This is going to be a quick little video of me installing these bad boys. I got this from a company called Brogue. Hopefully that focused in. But yeah, it's just going to be a little quick helmet hooks. Very easy to install. I would probably say difficulty level maybe 1 of 10. So let's check this out. First thing I'm going to do is take out the rear seat. Disregard the bike. I know it's super dirty. Take the seat off. And then give you guys a little quick. So again, I know it's dirty. It's going to be these two bolts come off on these right here. And then once they come off, basically I'm just putting this right here. And there you go, that's it. And it's going to be just a little quick helmet hook so I can add my helmets once I get to wherever I'm going. So if you don't know, I like to keep my my mirrors down, and since they're not up, I just don't put my helmet up there. So I kind of wanted these, and I think this is going to fix that. Just make it easier when we get to where we're going. Hook these helmet right here, and then we can just chill, you know. So let's install these bad boys real quick. Shouldn't be hard, and then yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, so yeah, basically that's it. Easy day. I already tightened them up. That's how it looks. And then we just put it all back together. Simple, easy day. But that's it. Alright. Appreciate you. I probably will put a helmet on it later, but as of right now, that's how it looks like with the seat on. I don't know if you can tell right there. So where's that? Easy day. 1 out of 10. Super easy. Recommend it. Alright, so we'll see you on the next video.